Hi everyone, my name is Precious and I built um, a bookmaker's odds analyzer with Zerve AI. I was trying to understand the efficiency of bookmaker odds and see if I could identify hidden value betting opportunities with machine learning and also see how effective and correct bookmaker odds are. This project uses real English Premier League data and a trained model to compare bookmakers' probabilities with model predictions. Based on this comparison, it classifies bookmakers' odds as either value bets, overpriced, or fair bets. Okay, so currently I'm just going to try to um, run a test match between Arsenal Football Club and Chelsea Football Club. So the home team will be Arsenal Football Club and the away team will be Chelsea Football Club. Okay, sorry, Chelsea. Okay, so as you can see on the right hand side, this tool just classified each of the odds, the home draw and away odds, as either over value bet, overpriced, or okay, an overpriced. So let me just try to change the away odds also to something like a 1.5. Okay, so now you see that it classifies these odds as either value bet, fair price, or overpriced. Now users can make use of this tool to check for hidden value bets in bookmaker odds and analyze odds before placing their bets. Now, what made this project interesting is that it highlights small inefficiency in betting markets, even though bookmakers are highly optimized. Um, Overall, this project uses a logistic regression trained on 6 seasons of EPL data to analyze betting markets and identify potential value bet. So all the signals here are actually correct because it uses real data and real performance from the team. Thank you.